Okay. Now students, I hope definition of a matrix and order of a matrix, these two topics are clear now. Matrix definition of a matrix is, it is an arrangement of object or numbers into rows or column, or you can say matrix is an ordered rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions, and all the matrices are denoted by capital letters only. So matrices are denoted by capital letters. Second, numbers or function, these are called entries or elements of the matrix. So we have 6 elements, or we can say 6 entries are there in this matrix A. So numbers or functions are called elements or entries of the matrix. Order of a matrix can be written number of rows by number of columns. So first you have to start from rows and then column. Now next topic we have mathematical representation. So in general we can write elements in this form. A, well, it's an element, so because it's an element, so you have to use small alphabet A, I, J, where I starts from I1 to M, where we have starting from first row to we have M number of rows, because order of this matrix is M by N. So we have M number of rows and N number of columns. So Aij, so in general we can write A matrix is equal to A11, A12, A13 and so on up to 1n, because this is the first row we have, and in this matrix we have n number of columns. So you have to go up to n, starting from 1 to n. So that is why we have n number of columns and m number of rows. So first row, second should start from 2, and number of columns we have n again. So 2 1, 2 2, 2 3. So all the elements, you can say, if I say 8 2 3, so the location of this element is second row and third column. So this element is located in second row and third column. So second row and so on, m row, first column. So it is up to m number of rows into n number of columns. So this way you can construct any matrix. Now tell me, number of elements in this matrix is mn. So number of elements, because from the order you can write number of elements of any matrix. So number of elements in this matrix is mn. Now if I need to construct A is equal to Aij, it's a general form. Now 3 by 3. So we need to take 9 elements, where number of rows 3 and we have to take 3 number of columns. So this would be A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. So we have 3 number of rows and 3 number of columns. So we have 3 number of rows and we have 3 columns. Okay. Now construct second matrix Aij 1 by 2. So you have to take only 1 row and you have to take 2 columns. So that means only 1 row and 2 columns. So you can put a blank also. for convenience. Now 1 only single row and 2 columns, so this would 1 1 and only 1 2. So 1 1 and 1 2 because we have only one single row and 2 columns. So this way you can construct any matrix. Now I'm going to take an example from your exercise. Okay, now first exercise 3.1. Question number 4. In question number 4, you have to construct a matrix 2 by 2. So you have to construct a matrix 2 by 2. So that means you need to take 2 rows and 2 columns. Now, A matrix in general form it is given Aij. Now, Ij elements you have to take I plus j whole square upon 2. Now, you have to take 2 number of rows and number of columns 2. So 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2. So 4 elements because the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. So number of elements would be 4. So we have 4 elements in this matrix. Now A11, the value of 1 1. Now I, the value of I is 1 and the value of j is 1. So that means you need to put the value of I and j in this formula. So 1 plus 1 whole square upon 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. The square of 2 is 4 upon 2 is 2. So the value of A11 is 2. So this way we can find the value of A12, A21 and A22. So you need to find all the elements. A12 is the value of I is 1, the value of j is 2. So it is 1 plus 2, 3. 3 square is 9 upon 2. So 9 by 2. Now find the value of A21. A21, the value of I is 2. The value of j is 1. So it is 9 by 2 again. Okay. And the value of A22 is 2 plus 2 whole square upon 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 square upon 2. So that means 16 upon 2. It is 8. So we have all the elements. So our A matrix is the value of A1, substitute the value of all the elements. So A11 is 2, A12 is 9 by 2, A21 is 9 by 2 again, and A22 is 8. So this is our required matrix of the form. The order of this matrix is 2 by 2. So that means we have how many elements? 4. So this way you can construct any matrix.